What is going on YouTube, and welcome back to another episode of Vancouver's Worst Drivers. Let's get started with this video from Ken. And ladies and gentlemen, I don't know how many times I see this, but for whatever reason, when people are behind a bus, they just think, oh, it's turned to a merge lane. That is incorrect. Up next, we got some Tesla cam footage, and this guy does this absolute sick 180, running the stop sign and doing some tricks along the way. Let me know in the comments section below who you think's at fault here. Either way, this black SUV just absolutely causes this huge mess all over the highway. Danny sent in this absolutely bizarre crash here. Not sure if this driver's distracted or, had a medical emergency or what, but either way, I'm glad there wasn't a pedestrian there. Drake sent in this video where this cyclist just does not give a crap who has the right of way. He's going to make his own way. Our second cyclist video comes from Robert, and kudos to this end driver for being aware enough to see this cyclist coming before smacking him with the front end of his car. I used to drive down Powell Street every day for work a few years ago, and for anyone who drives on this route on a regular basis, they'll know this is a regular occurrence. As many of you have heard from my previous videos, I hate that no one knows what to do when the lights are out at intersections, and this truck demonstrates that perfectly. This kind of driving in front of his Honda Fit is what causes car accidents on Highway 1, which in turn causes hours and hours of traffic. This guy looks like he has a good grip strength, he's got the tailgate up so the couch can't slide backwards. I really appreciate that he's taking safety seriously. How wild is this video? This SUV doesn't notice the parked cars beside him or the people crossing or the other cars crossing. Just incredible. When ICBC takes away your driver's license, but you're still gonna drive. I feel like roundabouts and traffic circles show who can drive and who can't. Car accidents are the leading cause of death for first responders, and this video shows why. This happened in Costco at Burnaby, and we can all imagine how frustrating this is waiting for a parking spot only to have it jacked by someone driving through. Just an FYI, from my understanding, you can't pull in through parking spots, but I can't find the law on that, so if anybody knows, please comment below. So from this view, it looks like there's no light on either side of a road, so this truck should be yielding to traffic going each way across from him, but looks like he didn't get that memo. Before I continue with this video, I want to thank this video sponsor, Atlas Driving School. Again, a big thank you to them for the support. If you're looking for driving lessons for your class 4, 5, or 7, check them out in the description below. And for watching Vancouver's Worst Drivers, you can get 10% off all their driving packages. So check out their website. You can get this for yourself or for somebody you know. And again, a big thank you to Atlas Driving School for sponsoring this video. Just an FYI, you can't cross over a solid white line or drive into other cars. Sometimes avoiding being the last one on a left turn when you're forcing your way in is the best move because then you don't get stuck in clusters like this. Who the hell overtakes like this? I'm not sure exactly how this other driver didn't see Arjun coming. This guy's waving his arms like, yeah, settle down. If you're driving around in an urban area and you don't see traffic around you, you better look again. I'm sure we've all forgotten what it's like to have this much snow around us. But in this situation, this person's not even used to driving in the snow, or maybe just not used to driving at all. So Rafael sent in this video from Port Coquitlam, and I'll admit, his driving is not the best in this video. He should have turned into that middle lane, he shouldn't have crossed the solid white line. I know, I get it, and I also emailed him back to let him know. However, this person's road rage is next level. Take a look at the rest of this video. The worst decision at the worst time, I think that kind of summarizes this video. Up next, we got this video from Nate where he's involved in two close calls. First of all, almost T-bones this driver running the stop sign. And then just moments later, this other driver almost hits this guy turning left as well. This driver has one job, just to avoid Slayer coming down the street, and he can't even do that. It's really remarkable to me how many drivers don't seem to notice the left turn advance arrow. Like, everybody's waiting for you. You are the chosen one, and they still haven't figured that out. So the truck up ahead is braking and then changes his mind, runs the red light, and then ends up looking like a celebrity on the red carpet. This driver up ahead doesn't notice the amber flashing light, the red light, and almost T-bones this other driver in the process. So this video caused quite the stir on Instagram, let me tell ya. People are saying, well, Vance isn't going fast enough. This is the HOV lane, ladies and gentlemen. It is a separate lane. It is not the fast lane. And as you can see, he's still overtaking people to the right. This Mercedes, on the other hand, is just not having it, and this is the driving that ensues. Based on this truck being on the left-hand side there, I just knew what was going to happen. What? Alright, so this is the last video of June, which means it's time for the $100 Black Box My Car giveaway. And before I announce the winner, I want to quickly mention that this upcoming month, Black Box and I have teamed up for a special Dashcam giveaway, so stay tuned for that. I'll be posting information on my Instagram as well as on YouTube here, so stay tuned next month for that. And without further ado, this month's winner is Mumble Jungle, so congratulations on winning $100 to Black Box My Car. Alright, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe if you like this video. Also make sure you stay subscribed for more information on the Dashcam giveaway next month. And as always, thank you so much for the support and all the videos you guys send in. I really appreciate it.